Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to start a new lesson of Social Studies. Lesson 6, Invention of the Wheel. The name of our next lesson is Invention of the Wheel. This lesson tells us about the invention of the wheel by early man. Children, can you say the name of some vehicles? Car, bus, train, bicycle, etc. What is the common thing among all of these vehicles? That is the wheel on which all vehicles move. So, wheels are very important because most of the vehicles move with the help of wheels. Even aeroplanes need wheels to land and take off. Let us see how the wheel was invented by early men. Children, let us understand the meaning of the word invention and wheel. What is the meaning of the word invention? Invention means creating something totally new with one's own idea. Invention means creating something totally new. And what is the meaning of the word wheel? Wheel is a circular frame that can rotate and which helps vehicles to move. Circular frame means circle frame. Okay. Then the wheel is one of the greatest invention of man. The wheel is one of the greatest invention of man. At first, early man used sledges to move objects. Before the invention of wheel, early man used sledges to move heavy things like 100 animals, wooden logs, etc. What are sledges? Sledges are frames of sticks pulled by dogs. Sledges are frames of sticks pulled by dogs. These sledges did not have wheels, so early men used dogs to pull sledges. In your textbook, page number 22, you can see the picture of a sledge. Children, now I have told sledges did not have wheels. So it was very difficult to move these sledges with heavy loads for a long distance. Later, early man put round sticks under the sledge. They must have seen logs were rolling down from the mountains. From that, they got the idea to put round sticks under the sledges. And he also noticed that then later early man put a few round sticks under the sledge, then it moved faster. And also he noticed that while cutting the wood, the round pieces rolling down very fast. While cutting the wood, the round pieces were rolling down very fast. After observing this, early man got the idea of wheel. Then let's see how did early man make a wheel. At first, he cut a round slice from a round log of wood and then he made a hole in its center. Thus, that was the first wheel made by early man. How did early man make a wheel? By cutting a round slice from a round log of wood and then he made a hole in its center. That was the first wheel made by man. Thus, traveling became easier and faster. This made man's life much easier. Actually, no one knows when the wheel was invented. Most of them believed that the wheel was invented by the early man. Now, let's let's go through the points once again. Children, look at the board. Now we have studied that the wheel was the greatest invention of man. And what is a wheel? A wheel is a circular frame. Circular frame means round frame that can rotate and which helps the vehicles to move. Wheels helps the vehicles to move. Then early man, before the invention of wheel, early man used sledges to move heavy objects. And I have told that the sledges, at first the sledges did not have any wheels. So it could not move long distances. Sledges did not have wheels, so it is very difficult to move heavy objects. So it could not move long distances. Then what are sledges? Sledges are frames of sticks pulled by dogs. Sledges are frames of sticks pulled by dogs. Then later, at first the sledges did not have any wheels. Later they put round sticks. Early men put round sticks. Then the sledges moved faster. And and from that they got the idea of wheel. While cutting slices from the round log of wood, they put a hole in its center. That was the wheel first made by early man. Children, how did early man make a wheel? He cut a round slices from round log of wood and he made a hole in its center. Thus, he made the wheel. And the wheel made man's life much easier. I hope you all understood this lesson. Children, read the textbook several times and do the exercises that is given in your textbook. See you in the next class.